In this video, as part of a sequence of low-calorie recipes, I shall impart upon you the culinary methodology necessary for the construction of a delectable dish consisting of succulent shrimp and verdant spinach. The nutritional content of this meal measures slightly above 300 kilocalories. The ingredients requisite for the construction of this dish are 4 ounces of grilled shrimp and 2 cups of baby spinach, half a cup of cherry tomatoes and quarter cup of thinly sliced red onions, a single tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper as per preference. Preheat the cooking pan to moderate temperature. Introduce a small quantity of olive oil to the heated pan and commence the process of grilling the shrimp until their exterior exhibit a rosy pink hue, indicative of their thorough cooking. In a large bowl, combine the spinach, cherry tomatoes, and the red onion. Drizzle the salad with lemon juice and season with salt and pepper to taste. And finally, serve the grilled shrimp on the top of the salad. This meal, alongside with an array of other delicious low-calorie dishes, can be found in my book, The Obesity Solution, and the link is provided below.
Subscribe, bye bye.